Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a Julie inspired makeup tutorial from the show Julie and the Phantoms. So this is like my favorite show ever, so I thought it would be fun to do some videos on it. This isn't going to be a complete transformation into Julie, this is more so just how she does her makeup, but on my face and me teaching you how to do it. So I hope that you like this video and let's just get started. So what we're going to do first is I am going to curl my eyelashes and put on eyeshadow primer. These are both kind of optional, but I would recommend it. Okay, and next let's just get started. So I am going to take the Tartelette Toasted palette. We're going to be using this for the majority of the video, but if you don't have this, it's basically just browns and golds, so it's pretty neutral. So Julie doesn't typically wear that much makeup just in most of the scenes. It's usually just pretty natural and neutral colors, barely noticeable. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the look from Stand Tall and Edge of Great, and they're super similar. So I'm just going to kind of merge it into one look. It's a little bit fancier than just her normal, can't even see it makeup. So to start with that, I'm going to take this goldish brown shade right here. It's called Sunset if you're using this palette. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it on a flat packing brush and just put that all over the eyelid. And go up into the crease with this, but don't go higher than that. So just kind of use it as the lid and the crease color. Okay, and then next with that same brush, we're going to take the shade Crackle, which is this dark brown sparkly shade. But I'm going to use it on the top of the brush instead of the side. So we're going to tap it in like this and then just put that in the outer corner. It doesn't have to be perfect at the moment, we're just putting the color on the eye and then we'll blend it out in a second. Just pack that in. You can also use an even smaller brush like a pencil brush and draw the outline of the outer V. But we're going to be using a lot of this color, so this is what I usually like to do when I want more than just a little bit. Okay, so it's going to look kind of messy, but now we're going to take a fluffy blending brush and we're going to blend that in. So what we're going to do is start just on that color and do little tiny circles, and then we're going to move and bring it up into the crease a little bit and just do little sweeping motions. And if you want to go back in and add a little bit more of that color, you can do that, because once you start blending it kind of takes it away. So then sometimes I like to go in with a second layer of it. Okay, and it's going to be looking pretty crazy at the moment because we just did that dark color. So at this point, if you have not already done your face makeup, do that now. I have already done my face makeup, so I'm just going to go back in with some concealer and clean it up a little bit. And then when I'm done with this, I'm going to set the concealer with some powder. And now that we've got that all cleaned up, I'm going to go in with a different fluffy brush and a white eyeshadow. So I'm going to use just a bright white one. This one is called S'more. And blend out my actual eye a little bit, mostly focusing up here, just so that there's not any awkward harsh lines or color where you don't want it. So next I'm actually just going in with this more goldy shade Simmer and applying that all over the lid really lightly, so not to cover up what we already have. Just to make it a little bit more gold and again blend everything together better. Okay, and then now I'm going to be taking a light white sparkly shade. This one's called Candle, and placing that just in the center of my eye. So just right in the middle with my finger. And then blend that out if you need to. It's better to try and blend it towards the inner corner than the outer corner. But don't blend it a ton, just try and keep it mostly in the center of your eye. Okay, and the next I'm going to be taking a flat brush like this, or you can also use a pencil brush. And then I'm going to be taking a dark brown matte color, so this one, Fireside, and I'm going to be applying that like eyeliner. just like normal eyeliner. She just has a very soft brown eyeliner. So you can wing it out a tiny bit if you want to. Hers isn't really winged out. It sort of is in Stand Tall, but in Edge of Gray, it's just plain eyeliner. So I'm just going to be applying it like normal. We're also going to take that same color, same brush, and do it on the bottom. And we're just going to go about halfway into the eye with this. And next we're going to be doing mascara. So if you're wanting this to stay for a long time, I recommend waterproof mascara. But for today, I'm just going to be using ordinary mascara. And this is just the Tarte Cosmetics Big Ego mascara. I'm just applying that like normal. On the second coat of this, we're going to focus more on the outer lashes. So you can bring it into the middle again too. Put your focus here. She's probably wearing fake eyelashes, but hers are longer on the outside, so this kind of helps that without having to wear fake eyelashes. But if you would like to wear fake eyelashes, you can add those in too. Okay, and if you want to do something with your eyebrows, you can do that as well. I just did some tinted brow gel, nothing fancy, but you can do this how you would like. Next up, we're going to be adding blush. So Julie always has blush. It's typically, I don't even know how to explain the color, kind of peach, but kind of dark peach. So this is what I thought looked like it to me. I don't know how to explain this color, but it is peachy glow is the color of this. So we're going to be taking just the blush side, not the highlighter, and just apply that on your cheekbones. Okay, and next, highlighter. So Julie has highlighter, but it's not super crazy. You see it for sure, but it looks really good with her skin and kind of more natural looking. So I'm going to be using the shade Stunner and the Tarte highlighter. It's so hard to find highlighters that match my skin because I'm so pale, so it's like they're all too dark for me. But this one is very good. It actually matches. So then it's like you're glowing without, oh yeah, that's highlighter. So that's what Julie's looks like too. And then we're also gonna take this and put it in the corner of our eyes. And on the brow bone. Okay, and all we have left is lips. So Julie doesn't typically wear lipstick. It looks more like she's pretty much always wearing lip gloss. So this is the one I found that looks like it matches hers, and this is the Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade, I want to say Orchid, but I'm not positive if that's correct. Okay, so this is just kind of like a lip gloss, but it feels like a chapstick. It's amazing. So I'm just going to apply that. You could always do, if you wanted it to last, a matte lipstick in this color and then put chapstick or lip gloss over it. So you still give it the correct look, but it'll last longer. But, or just bring this and reapply it if you want, because I think this looks more accurate. Okay, and then if there's any finishing touches you want to add, do that. If not, let's just do some setting spray and we're done. Okay, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was so much fun. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below and ring the notification bell to get notified every time I upload new videos, because there are fun ones coming, so stay tuned and come back. Would you like to see a Carrie makeup tutorial? Let me know in the comments, because that could be kind of fun. Yeah, just leave any other video suggestions, and I think that's about it. I will see you all soon, and I hope you have a magical Monday. Bye.